Objectives. The objective of the activity is to solidify the concept of viscosity through experimentation and test viscosity of different samples by measuring the velocity of a sphere falling through a fluid. Topic learning outcomes. The students should be able to compute and compare the viscosity of different fluids. Discussion. Viscosity is a fluid property that measures the resistance of a fluid to flow and can simply be thought of as the thickness of the fluid. Fluids that have a high viscosity, such as honey or molasses, have a high resistance to flow, while fluids with a low viscosity, such as gas, flow easily. The resistance to deformation within a fluid can be expressed as both absolute or dynamic viscosity and kinematic viscosity. Ball drop experiment. This experiment uses one of the oldest and easiest way to measure viscosity. We will simply see how fast a sphere falls through a fluid. The measurement involves determining the velocity of the falling sphere. This is accomplished by dropping each sphere through a measured distance of fluid and measuring how long it takes to traverse the distance. Thus, you know the distance and time. So you also know velocity, which is distance divided by time. Additionally, you will have to measure the mass and the diameter of the sphere. Procedure. Observation and conclusion. Among the liquids that are tested, water has the lowest viscosity as it flows the easiest. Next is cooking oil as it flows slower than water. It is then followed by liquid soap. Lastly, motor oil is the most viscous liquid among the four as it flows slowest and resists motion. The experiment provided visualization and helped to understand the differences in viscosity that can affect the behavior of liquids under laboratory conditions.